Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Let's see what's in our box this week. Oh, let's turn it around. You can see the title, Expectation, the novel. And we have a 4-book Little Joy. Looks pretty cute. Spy School by Stuart Gibbs, the latest one. We have an Amish one, Dangerous Amish Inheritance. The Magnificent Makers. Ooh, that sounds good. A little easy reader, I believe. Yep. Looks like it's a series. We have a French book, a French easy reader. Oh, the latest Babysitters Club graphic novel is in. Logan likes Aunt Marianne. Another Dragon Masters is in. The Crown, Kira Cass. It's a YA series. A Rogue of One's Own. So Evie Dunmore, her first book last year was a very popular romance. The latest Wings of Olympus. Junior fiction. Grumpy Unicorn, another one in that series. Cece Loves Science, an easy reader. Another French book, I believe this one is a graphic novel, yes. Oh, we've got the latest John Grisham finally in for those who have been waiting. Another James Patterson, The Summer House. So excited to see all these names finally coming in. Dawn Winslow, Broken. Don't You Know Everything, Jilly P. That's by the author of George, which is very popular. The latest Bad Guys graphic novel. Nancy Thayer, Girls of Summer. Lisa Wingate, The Book of Lost Friends. We got a Thea Stilton in for all those Stilton lovers. Layla and the Bots, another easy reader. Oh, we've got a sci-fi, Spy again by Mercedes Lackey. An I Survive graphic novel. Cruel Acts by Jane Casey. Looks like it won the Irish Book Award. Dragged from Under. Ooh, that sounds scary. And Roald Dahl's The Witches. I believe graphic novel, just in time for the movie that came out with Anne Hathaway. Click Clack Good Night, and the latest in that picture book series. Elise Gravel's funny one, but in French this time. Oh, and we've got Misunderstood Shark, but a French version. Lots of French books in this order. The next in the Babysitters Club series, just redone. Isadora Moon Has a Sleepover. Lots of easy readers in this one. Oh, and we have an audio book. Sue Monk Kidd, The Book of Longings. And we have a couple more down here. All Because You Matter. And the latest in Sophie Johnson, Unicorn Expert picture book. Well, I hope you found something here that you would like to read. Just give us a couple weeks to process and catalog them and get them out for you, but you can always contact the library and ask us to put one of these on hold. Thanks.